If you're seeing a Beehiiv forbidden error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This issue can happen for a number of reasons, including a stale login session, browser cache problems, or just a temporary account glitch. The good news is that you can often fix it yourself in just a few minutes without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Now let's go step by step. First, log out of your Beehiiv account completely. Make sure you are fully signed out, not just closing the tab. After that, close all Beehiiv tabs in your browser. This helps clear out any old session data that may still be running in the background. Next, open a brand new browser window. Don't reuse the same tabs you already had open because the forbidden error may still be tied to that session. Once the new window is open, log back into Beehiiv and try again. In many cases, this alone is enough to resolve the issue. If the error is still showing up, the next thing to do is force refresh the page. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. On Mac, use Command Shift and R. This forces your browser to reload the page without relying on older cache data, which can sometimes trigger access errors. If that still does not fix it, open Beehiiv in an incognito or private window. This gives you a clean browser session with no saved cookies or extensions interfering. Once the private window opens, sign in again and check whether the forbidden error disappears. This is a very useful test because it helps you find out whether the issue is caused by your regular browser profile. If the problem continues, the next step is to clear your browser cache. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or use the browser's Clear Browsing Data menu on Mac. Make sure to clear cached images and files, and if needed, cookies as well. Then close the browser completely, open it again, and log in to Beehiiv one more time. At this point, one of these steps usually fixes the Beehiiv forbidden error. Most of the time, the issue is just a stuck session or outdated browser data, and refreshing the login state solves it quickly. If you were able to get back in, great. You should now be able to continue using Beehiiv normally. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple fixes and how-to guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing more Beehiiv troubleshooting steps, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.